field also, right? And most of the gigantic corporations, tech corporations, are kind of entering the political sphere. So I felt that is why this OE was the right choice for me. And like, in fact, I convinced a few of my friends also to join in, because there is like a good collaboration that happens because of that.
Oh, I'm so happy, so glad to know that. I mean, see, I can tell you one thing, that this is one paper where we receive numbers of application. So I can tell you I can even name few students who have approached me directly, ma'am, we didn't get international relations. So I know this is very popular subject, but if I'm not wrong, you get this paper on the basis of your CGPA, right? हाँ, तो that's the case. So I am happy that ऐसा तो मुझे देख के अच्छा लगता है when students they enthusiastically take this paper कि ma'am I want to know something. So I am very happy, Kapil. Kapil, do you belong to Maharashtra?
Yes, ma'am. I'm from Pune.
You are from Pune. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kapil. Let's hear from Harshita. Harshita, are you there? Please switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Is I'm
Yeah. Harshita, your voice is breaking.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I'm not using earphone right now.
Okay, continue. Yeah, you are audible.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'm Harshita. I'm pursuing BTech in Information Technology. I'm from Udaipur, and I'm interested in international relations because I want to pursue my career in civil services.
Okay, you are at the right place, I can tell you. And you can ask my South Asian students whom I had taught South Asia in the last class. They used to tell me कि मैम आपने हमारा interest जगा दिया है in current affairs, because I used to discuss so many things. I used to relate it with day-to-day news. So they used to be very happy कि ma'am we were not interested earlier, but now we are interested in current affairs, and also it is going to help us in our competitive exams. So you are.
Can you give extra topics and extra things which can be help me in
yeah, sure.
Any kind of advice, and ma'am?
You can meet me personally when you are back to the campus.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm certainly going to help you out. Don't worry. Okay, yes. Muskan, please switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Am I visible?
Yeah, you are visible, and happy to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Happy to see you too.
Yeah.
So, hello everyone. I'm Muskan. I'm from Mumbai, and I'm studying BA Economics. So, I've been interested in political science ever since I took up a course on economics of geopolitics, and I thought of pursuing like my degree in that, but I chose economics. But ever since I got to know like there's South Asian studies and international relations in OE, I chose that since I want to know more about the subject and I plan to study it in the future.
Yeah, and I remember your result was also good, if I'm not wrong, if I remember this correctly. And I'm happy that South Asian students are keen in taking my paper again.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm happy to know this. Khushi ho rahi hai. Okay, so let's have a vote. So all those who want to vote for Kapil Pramod Deshmukh, please raise your hands. I'm going to count. Kapil, you seem to be very popular. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and Mayank Pratap has written something. Let me just check. Mayank Pratap Singh, 10 CGPA. Why did you write this?
He's popular, that's why. Yes, he has 10 CGPA.
Okay. So, and Is it 11 students? Can anyone check? Check once more because we should be very particular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then Khushi Tangre 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 students for I think for Deshmukh. Kapil, sorry. Yes, and please, all those who are in support of Harshita Chaudhary, please raise your hand. Harshita Chaudhary, please raise your hand. Yes. Kapil, I'm happy that आपने हर्षिता के लिए hand raise किया है. Okay, only 3 students. Khushi, okay. And Muskan, for Muskan, please raise your hands. Muskan, you are also very popular. ओके जयद खान आपको भी मैंने पढ़ाया है पहले, नाम मुझे याद रहता है. ओके 1 2 3 4 5. हाँ जयद, मुझे याद है. आपका चेहरा देखने की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे आपका चेहरा भी याद है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 students for Muskan and 12 for Kapil and 3 for Harshita. So it's clear, I guess. So I needed 2 class representatives for my class. So first one is Kapil Chaudhary and Kapil Pramod Deshmukh, and the second one is Muskan Vijay Mundra. Okay. So Kapil, you share your number please to me, and Muskan, I think आपका number तो मेरे पास होगा. मेरे पास.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Kapil, आप अपना number share कर लीजिएगा मेरे साथ so that मेरे लिए आसान हो.
May I write in the chat?
Yes, and you need to do one thing, Kapil. I think one student named Devesh Pratap Singh.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Devesh Pratap Singh, he has formed a group, International Relations. So it is now your duty, Kapil and Muskan, to add all the students to this group. Okay. And
Okay.
my only point of contact would be Kapil and Muskan. आप मुझे डायरेक्टली भी अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, पर मुझे कुछ कम्युनिकेट करना होगा तो मैं कपिल और मुस्कान के थ्रू ही करूंगी. ठीक है, सो दैट सबके पास चला जाए और ग्रुप में पक्का ऐड कर लो सबको, सो दैट इट बिकम्स इजियर टू कम्युनिकेट. ओके, सो दैट आई वुड डू.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kapil, I think you have messaged your number, right?
Right, yeah, put it in the chat.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we'll send the link in the chat here also.
Yes. Also, I haven't scheduled the classes. I have scheduled only today's class, so I need to schedule it. But I thought I'll do it on Monday क्योंकि अभी तो Monday और Tuesday क्योंकि अभी मैं 2 दिन I am out of town, so I won't be taking your class. So please inform this to every student because I think only 27 students have joined so far, 26 students, and I have 60 students in my class. Okay. So please inform this to everyone. वो खुद या तो वो मुझे कॉल करेंगे तो मैं बता दूंगी. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू अनदर थिंग, फॉर CWS what would you like to have? See, the earlier pattern was I used to take one research paper, I used to take one presentation for 10 marks, one research paper for 10 marks, and then maybe one assignment or one quiz. But now the university demands us to take quiz. Okay, now you tell me what is Tushar, do you want to say something? You have raised
No,
your
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so आपको क्या सही लगता है, आप क्या करना चाहेंगे CWS में? so that I can plan that way only? Tell me.
Ma'am, quizzes are fine, ma'am, I guess.
Tushar, quizzes, okay. So see, we can't do only quiz. मतलब एक तो ऑप्शन ये है कि मैं 3 क्विज ले लूं 10 मार्क्स के. एक ऑप्शन ये है कि अगर आप क्विज में अगर कोई भी एब्सेंट हो जाता है तो इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर दैट पर्सन टू स्कोर. 30 मार्क्स बहुत होते हैं, है ना. सो वैसे केस में आप प्लीज मुझे बताइए कि आपको क्या चाहिए. प्रेजेंटेशन, दोज हु आर सेइंग प्रेजेंटेशन, आई कैन सी वर्णिका हैज जस्ट मैसेज्ड कि मैम क्विज प्लस प्रेजेंटेशन. प्रेजेंटेशन वुड ओनली बी पॉसिबल व्हेन यू आर फिजिकली प्रेजेंट हियर, so that I can argue, so that I can discuss. ऑनलाइन थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. ऑनलाइन मैं कितना समझ पाऊंगी कहना मुश्किल होता है.
Ma'am, you can take 5 quizzes and the best of 3 we can count.
I can take, that can be done if you all agree. Or you can do one thing, you can write one assignment or research paper so that you have secured some marks. So can we do one thing?
Yeah.
Can we have 4 quizzes and one assignment? One assignment is compulsory for all, so that yes, I got it. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको क्विज और असाइनमेंट चाहिए. ओके, तो वी विल हैव 4 क्विजेस, ठीक है. एंड you need to write one assignment or one research paper. Research paper ka format I'll share. It's not going to be assignment because see, we have been given Turnitin, which is a plagiarism tool. तो जब मैं साउथ एशिया पढ़ा रही थी तो I don't want to name, but students who had submitted assignment, their assignment was almost 90% plagiarized. So I'll tell you how to write, what to write, and you can write. And प्लीज राइट इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. आप पढ़िए, उसको समझिए और उसको लिख दीजिए. मुझे उससे दिक्कत नहीं है, बट इट शुड नॉट बी प्लेजराइट. यू शुड नॉट डेवलप दिस हैबिट. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू. सो okay, so it's decided 4 quizzes that is of 10 marks and one assignment that is of 10 marks. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So we will decide the dates. आपका ये सेमेस्टर कब ओवर हो रहा है? Any idea?
Ma'am, in May, mid-May mostly.
So classes will take place till mid-May.
Yes, ma'am, according to the schedule they've given us now.
Okay, so we have in that case March and April. I don't want to go to mid-May. So we will do one thing. 2 quizzes in March and 2 quizzes in April. चलेगा? कोई issue है इसमें? मतलब 1 quiz by 15 March, another quiz by 30th March after Holi. आप होली मना लो अच्छे से उसके बाद, after Holi, and then 2 quiz, 1 quiz in April, mid-April, and then April last में. ठीक है? और best out of these 4, best 2 out of these 4 is going to be counted. I'm going to count that. ठीक है? So Muskan and Kapil, we need to decide the dates which we will be doing in the coming classes. So, acha, now let me tell you something. My class has always been very vibrant. I discuss things. I don't have this habit of taking notes. So I'll give you materials to read. I'll discuss each and everything. Whatever I am teaching in the class, you would find that in my material, reference material that you would find. But notes देने की आदत नहीं है मुझे, तो मैं notes नहीं दूंगी. मैं discuss करूंगी, and I request you all to read so that we can have a lively class. We can have discussion. We can have conversation. जितना डिस्कशन करेंगे हम उतना ज्यादा आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा. तो आप पूछ सकते हैं उन लोगों से, या आपके बहुत सारे सीनियर्स भी थे मेरे क्लास में, तो आप पूछ सकते हैं उन लोगों से क्लास में कि आई यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, आई यूज्ड टू रिवाइज प्रीवियस क्लास का थिंग्स so that everything should be clear. My only motive is to make things clear to you. जितना भी समझो, clear cut समझो, तभी फायदा है. Okay. So next week I'm going to share my course handout with you all. But today we will discuss about the syllabus. So let's discuss what all topics are there in international relations and how should we proceed. जैसे आप बोलेंगे मैं वैसे ही प्रोसीड करना चाहूंगी so that आपके लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग रहे और मेरे लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग रहे पढ़ाने के लिए. ठीक है. So the first thing, if I'm not wrong, is it United Nations?
Ma'am, it's League of Nations में.
Okay, League of Nations से start है. Okay. I'm just opening the syllabus. So, okay, remember, याद आ गया मुझे. ठीक है. So, since it's starting with League of Nations, let me tell you one thing. We cannot start directly with League of Nations. So, we will have a quick discussion about World War I and World War II. Because why did the League of Nations come? Why did the League of Nations why did we have League of Nations? Any idea? किसी को पता है क्यों था League of Nations?
To prevent another war, basically. It's oversimplified, but one of the reasons.
Okay, yeah, one of the reasons was to avoid Second World War, which it could not avoid at that point of time. And can we say, okay, first tell me what was the time period of First World War?
1914 to 1919.
1914 to 1919. Okay, then League of Nations कब बना था? Okay. ठीक है. I was asking क्योंकि someone said First World War का time period is 1914 to 1919.
It was 18, I think.
Yes, that's why I'm asking. So it ended, or we can say we say that it started on 20th July 1914 and it continued till 11th November 1918, and League of Nations came in 1919. Okay. The ultimate motive of the creation of League of Nations was to prevent wars, or to prevent, we can say, the Second World War. So can you tell me who were there were two sides. चलो उससे भी पहले, what is a war? What is a war?
Conflict between like different countries.
Okay, conflict between different countries. Anyone else? What is a war?
Ma'am, it's just an armed conflict between two parties. It need not be even countries.
Okay. Anyone else? So in the later class, we will discuss Cold War, which is there in the syllabus. So in general, when we say war, we mean a hot war, because it's not a cold war. Why? Because parties are directly in conflict with each other, or we can say parties are directly in an armed conflict with each other, right? So why do we say that First World War is a world war? It's not only war. Why do we say that?
Happened on a global scale.
Yes, because it happened on a global scale, and more than two parties, or we can say it was not confined to two states only, but a major portion of the world was involved in the war. So who were the parties of the First World War? Okay, I said I am not going to take class today, but I am teaching. But ठीक है, these are very basic things you should know.
Ma'am, there were two sides. One was the Axis power and one was the Allied power. The Axis power majorly had Germany, Austria-Hungarian, and parts of the country of the Ottoman Empire. And on the Allied side, there were Britain, France, Russia, Japan, and the US.
Was US involved in the First World War?
Yeah, they entered in 1917 after a battleship sank.
Okay. What led to First World War? Why did the First World War happen?
There were many reasons, but one of them that I recall was like the Balkans was a very hot disputed territory.
Okay.
And second was there was like basically a point in time where they had to show that it was like one of the points in history where countries had to show their actual presence on the global stage.
Okay.
I think
what was the trigger point? Yeah.
Yeah, it was assassination of an Archduke of Austria-Hungary, I guess.
Yes, Austria. Okay. So he was killed, and who was blamed for his killing? Okay, I shouldn't start like this. I mean, I've just come and started questioning you all. This should not be the way. So on Wednesday, next Wednesday, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss very briefly why did the First World War happen, who were the parties involved, and totally from a political perspective. Okay? So you need to read who were the parties and why did the First World War happen, and then we can come to the League of Nations. Okay? So do read. Varnika, are you trying to say something? Yes, you are right. Okay, so go and read First World War. I can tell you, since this is not the part of your syllabus, and I only need to know whether you have the basic idea or not. So you do one thing, you can refer to IGNOU's material. If it's not there, I can share it on the Teams app. So with that, you will have basic idea. IGNOU का जो graduation का material I am going to share for the First World War, so that you can have basic idea why did the First World War happen, so that we can come to League of Nations. See, syllabus जैसे बना है वो जैसे मैं पढ़ाऊँ तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो थोड़ा background में पढ़ाना जरूरी होता है, so that तुम्हारे लिए concept clear हो. And why I am taking this time, because I think कि next week से आपका फोर्थ सेमेस्टर भी आ जाएगा. अभी तो सिर्फ 6 सेमेस्टर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप, तो फोर्थ सेमेस्टर भी आ जाएगा, तो उनका कुछ नहीं रह जाएगा, उनका भी नहीं कुछ छूटेगा. सो डू रीड फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. पोस्ट में मैं अभी डाल देती हूँ, जिसको भी ये लगे कि ढूंढना पड़ेगा और ये करना पड़ेगा तो उतना मुश्किल नहीं है. मैं पोस्ट में डाल देती हूँ इग्नू का मटेरियल, आप वो पढ़ लीजिए एक बार. वो आसान है और वो तुरंत समझ में भी आ जाता है. एंड क्या कोई ट्रीटी साइन हुई थी लीग ऑफ नेशंस के पहले? कौन सी ट्रीटी थी, क्या थी, लीग ऑफ नेशंस का क्या स्ट्रक्चर होना क्या था, उस स्ट्रक्चर का क्या फंक्शंस था, एंड देन लीग ऑफ नेशंस के कितने मेंबर्स थे, एंड आल्सो व्हाई डिड द लीग ऑफ नेशंस फेल. हम ये सब, वाज इट अ फेलियर, हमें ये भी क्वेश्चन देखना पड़ेगा कि वाज इट अ फेलियर और वाज इट अ सक्सेस. सो we will discuss all these things, but before discussing all these things, I think you should read, so that we can have a fair discussion on this, and so that we will enjoy the class. Okay, so we will meet on Wednesday. With this, I conclude my class today. We will meet on Monday. I am leaving you little early today क्योंकि I feel कि fourth semester का रह जाएगा, तो it would be difficult for me to cope up. So let's meet on Wednesday, and then we can start the class formally. Acha, anything which you would like to comment, which you would like to say? I am very particular about attendance. Don't ask your seniors. I'm very particular about your attendance. So I believe that you should attend my class very regularly. Otherwise, you would have problem in my class. You won't be able to understand, first thing. Second thing, you won't be able to answer in my in the exam. And third thing, if the 75% of norm is going to continue, then I'll retain you people. Because now everything is online. Now nothing can be manipulated. You all know that. If you are coming to the class, I'm going to download the attendance and just mark it on the DMS. So let me just take the attendance first. So please be regular in my class. And okay, thank you so much. We will meet on Wednesday. Anything which you want to say, tell me right now.
Nothing in particular.
Okay. If there is anything related to material, ma'am, क्या book पढ़ना है या कुछ क्या करना है नहीं करना है, we are going to discuss this on Wednesday. You don't need to worry. For general, I can tell you, you can refer to this book of International Relations by V.N. Khanna. मेरा book visible नहीं है, अच्छा एक second. This is book by V.N. Khanna. Though this book is very lengthy, you don't need to go in that much detail, but still you can refer to this book, and time to time I'm going to send you materials, reference material, so you can read that material also. Okay, and if you have any query, anything you want to ask me, please message me, WhatsApp me, I can reply. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet on Wednesday.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.